Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a different and a simple recipe, that's tomato rice. Tomato rice is a popular South Indian recipe that you can easily prepare at home. It is a delicious dish for which chopped tomatoes are sauted with spices and mixed to the plain rice. If you are bored of having the plain rice, then here is an interesting variation that you must try. So let's begin and have a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken cooked rice 1 cup, roasted and peeled peanuts 1 tablespoon, 1 large size tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana daal, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 medium sized onion chopped, few curry leaves, 2 slit green chillies, 2 tablespoon oil. All the ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check out. Now we will first heat up a kadai. To it add 2 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds. Let it splutter. To it add curry leaves and green chilies. Saute well. Now add chana dal and saute it for a minute. Now add roasted peanuts. Saute it for a minute. Add the onions and cook until the onions are light brown. For this recipe, you don't have to make the onions dark brown or golden brown. Then add chopped tomatoes and cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are soft and mushy, let's add some dry spices, that's chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup gives a nice tangy flavor. Give it a good stir and cook. Now add half a cup of water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or till the oil separates. The tomato paste is getting cooked, but we need a slightly more thicker consistency, so let's cook for another 2 minutes. Now the tomato mixture has thickened. Add the cooked rice and mix well. Our tomato rice is ready to be served. For the best taste, serve it with a hard boiled egg and some pickle. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. See you soon with my next recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.